Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In this video, we're putting HSBC USA and Silicon Valley Bank head-to-head to help you determine which bank best aligns with your financial goals. We've included convenient links to both banks in the description below. Let's dive into their features and identify who they cater to best. HSBC USA is a global banking institution recognized for its international presence and upscale banking services. Offerings like their Premier Checking Account are particularly well-suited for individuals requiring international banking solutions. Benefits include no-fee international transfers, worldwide ATM access, and elevated interest rates on savings accounts for customers maintaining higher balances. This makes HSBC a strong choice for frequent international travelers, expatriates, or anyone needing seamless global financial connectivity. However, HSBC's physical branch network within the US is largely concentrated on the East Coast, and avoiding monthly maintenance fees requires maintaining higher account balances, a factor that might not be feasible for everyone. Alternatively, Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, specializes in delivering tailored financial solutions for startups, venture capitalists, and tech entrepreneurs. Renowned for its industry-specific expertise, SVB offers programs such as SVB Innovation Lending, specifically designed to provide adaptable financing choices for technology companies. They also offer a user-friendly online banking platform and personalized services for businesses in the technology and life sciences sectors. If you operate within the startup ecosystem or require funding for a technology-driven venture, Silicon Valley Bank's extensive industry network and niche service offerings make it a highly attractive proposition. It's important to note, however, that SVB lacks the international banking infrastructure of HSBC and doesn't typically cater to traditional retail banking customers. To summarize, if international banking services and global accessibility to your funds are paramount, HSBC USA emerges as the preferable choice. Conversely, if you're an entrepreneur, particularly in the tech industry, looking for specialized banking services to fuel business expansion, Silicon Valley Bank presents more customized, industry-focused solutions. Explore the links in the description for a more in-depth understanding and select the bank that best fulfills your individual financial requirements.